Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demo of image captioning system using deep learning. So for this purpose, we are using deep learning algorithms and also the front end we have created in HTML and CSS with backend programming languages Python, and the Flask framework of Python is used to create a web application. So image captioning is all about generating caption to image. So first of all, what happens here? The AI will understand the image, it will understand the features from that image, and based on that it will generate a caption to that particular image. And that is what the idea is, and the same thing is implemented in project. Now for that purpose, the model is trained on Flickr 8K dataset, which is the image captioning dataset available on the Kaggle. And once the model is trained, now we can give any image to the model, which the model will predict the caption for. Now, for example, I can choose the image from here, and let's say I will pick this image, open, then upload. Once I click on upload, that image will be uploaded, and once I click on generate the caption, then it will generate caption for it, and also it will speak out that caption. So for that purpose, we are using text to speech conversion technique in Python. For that, yeah, the Python text to speech library we are using to do that, and it has generated the caption. So this is the caption which is suitable or for this particular uh, image. So you can upload any image and you can test or you can generate the caption for any image. So you can download any image from the Google, and you can test it, or any image you can have in your computer can be uploaded and can be tested or can be used to generate this caption. So that's all about this project. That's the end of this demonstration. And in case you need code of this project or any support regarding the implementation of this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.